This is how you can get your own professor available 24/7 nowadays with Capable Alma. What you do on Capable is create a persona, which happens when you click here and go through the very easy steps. You give it the personality, you explain the area of focus, and then when you save it, you can upload a document that allows it and helps it to be even more focused on conversations. I've uploaded the original paper from Harry Markovitz's portfolio allocation theory, published in 1952 from the journal in the Journal of Finance. And therefore, when I use the persona, my conversations with the persona are extremely accurate and very, very powerful regarding the content. So for example, I ask here, tell me just the main points about portfolio allocation. You can ask any question. Again, this is 24/7 office hours, if you will, with the professor. And you can use it with a course transcript. You can use it with a project that you completed. You can use it with a book that you have on PDF, anything to help you refresh your concepts, learn different things, anything you want on generative AI can be done under a persona. Here I ask you, what are the main points about portfolio allocation theory? And it very quickly extracted several very important points, accurate, no hallucinating and whatsoever. Plus, because on Capable, we want to bring more innovation on generative AI, it gives you the source of those points so you can go back and tie it to the source citations, right? So I hope you find it very interesting. Let me know what you think, but this is the new way of studying any type of material and having access to the expert whenever you want.